Hello everyone, I Yasha Patel welcome you all to MCU Darshan. Today we have a special guest Subbiah Nallamuthu sir. So let's meet our special guest and know about his thoughts and experiences. Sir, I welcome you to MCU Darshan. Sir, my first question to you is, what attracted you to take up the documentation of tiger as a passion and as in personal life?
See, it's not a passion. It's basically a profession. So basically, I did works on documentary, non-fiction work in all the subjects like travel, automobile, religions, and serious subjects also. After a point, you also wanted to explore something in completely niche field. So this is one field which in India very few people are documenting it. And also I wanted to do something on my own. I wanted to tell my own story to the world. And very few international crew used to come in India, because in Indian forest getting stories is quite difficult when compared to Africa. So very few people used to come. So I thought, and I also worked a lot with international crew, and there is a demand outside as a profession, and having done all those areas. So I just thought I'll concentrate on wildlife. Again, wildlife is the one. Since I am a cinematographer, it's one way. It's easy. Otherwise, if someone, your director wants to make it, and he has to go with the cameraman, and too many things. So that's one thing. As a cameraman director, I want to tell a story. So that's a thing, and that it's a passion also, but mainly it's a profession.
So, but why only tigers?
No, tiger. It's tiger is the only thing which is always there is a demand in outside world, because big cat is always on demand, very good demand. And in Asia, we only in our region tigers are there. In other places, we see in Africa leopards and cheetahs and lion are there. Very few tigers, and very few films are made. So since I also use, most of my films are self-funded films. So it's better to go with the subject which one I can sell it also. At the same time, in India, we have this species which is which there is a lot of demand in international market, big cat stories.
Sir, any major experience while you are shooting or capturing the images of tigers?
No, it's like always everyone asks, but everyone still they are thinking a tiger is a dangerous species. No, it's not. No, unless if you disturb them, obviously any animal in every species is always dangerous. But apart from that, there are a lot of new, never been shot before sort of sequences. We managed to get it. First time in camera, we got some new what you call the movements we captured on camera. And because I follow tigers more than a decade, so that may be one reason, and we go day in day out and follow them regularly. And also one thing, I concentrate on one particular tiger, one family in a regular spaces. That may be the reason managed to get. I think is in a natural history, it's getting those first movements. It's a challenge, and that's also very important to tell a story. So that's what I always say. And it's challenge also.
Sir, do you feel conservation efforts taken in this country fall short of expectation?
The conservation is a lot of ways they are doing conservation, but filmmaking is very less. I strongly believe one needs to do filmmaking and creating awareness also part of the conservation. That's one reason I do storytelling for grassroots people. It's not that there's no point making a high-end films with science and information, facts and figures, because end of the day the awareness we need to create this people who are living in and around of backyard of tigers and wild animals. So they need to understand the story. We need to create this awareness. So this is also one way conservation, making films and storytelling on wildlife, positive storytelling. Yes, other areas I have no idea, because as a filmmaker I do strongly believe one needs to do more stories on this.
Sir, with the advent of technology, what changes do you see in filming documentaries?
Filming documentaries, earlier very few people make professional documentaries. Now after this digital revolution, everyone can afford cameras and stuff. So a lot of people are getting into parks and making films and making reels, and that's one good thing. I mean, at least a lot of new young generation is telling stories in short forms. That is one change in the filmmaking side. Other side, I don't know. I mean, I just thought I'll talk about filmmaking. Yes, lot of photographers, lot of tourists. Everyone is documenting it, and it's become easy nowadays compared to earlier days.
Sir, one message to youth for tiger conservation.
Every youth, since everyone can afford cameras, they should tell their own stories, whether it is short form or long form. They should explore this wildlife and tell their own stories to the world.
Sir, my last question to you is, as you know, MP, Madhya Pradesh has the largest number of tigers across India. What tips will you give to people to boost the number of tigers across India?
See, boost in sense, and obviously, I mean, increasing tigers is not the only thing is going to be conservation. Even if you increase the number of tigers, also we need more space. I think that's another factor.
You have to save them.
Yeah, you have to save them also, and at the same time we need to increase our habitat also. That is also another factor. There is no point increasing it without having this habitat for them. So advice is again create awareness and try to tell your own stories. And the MP is a place where there are 3-4 good national parks. A lot of films have been made. So that's one thing which I always tell youngsters to make different sort of storytelling.
Thank you, sir.
So,
For more such videos, stay tuned with us only on MCU Darshan. Thank you.